Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Marion County in northeastern 15 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in near Florida. At 5:46 p.m. Thursday, at North Topsail Beach, and low tide at 11:45 p.m. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations of Florence. Beach splash. Here is the tropical floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.